This is the Telesin waterproof case for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 as well. This also is in black, and you can see how clear and transparent it is on the front and back. It also has an attachment right here, and it's also made of acrylic. Perfect. Now, what's really nice is its waterproof depth up to 45 meters. And it also has a reinforced glass right here, and as you can see, it has seals. So there's a seal there, as well as seals around the back here too. Now let me show you the quick release. As you can see, there is an arrow right there. So what's really nice is, let's say by accident, it got pulled. You see this? It keeps it from accidentally falling out, kind of like a safety release. So what you do is flip this down, flip this up, and now you're able to install it and remove it. And very easy to put and close. Just like that. So really think this is a really great product. Perfect for anybody that has a GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, or 9. So compatible with all those. Perfect for your next upcoming vacation. Let's say you're snorkeling or scuba diving. This will be perfect for you. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.